So we just made it on the Adventures of the Seas, and we just got into our cabin. Pretty excited. First cruise of 2021. Can't wait to get moving, but also want to show you our stateroom. So come along as we give you a brief tour. Here's a cabin tour of interior 7373. It's sanitized. We're on the Adventure of the Seas. There you go. You enter the cabin, and got the king bed. There is no Pullmans from the ceiling, but you have two lights, a little drawer down there, two little drawers. The king bed can be made into two twins, and then it's got a little couch right here. We come back around, we have some nice storage cabinets right here to put your stuff, as well as your safe. It's a nice code punch safe versus the key swipe safes that erase your cards. Got our TV. Down here is the refrigerator, cooling fridge. Some drawers, some nice little drawer space. A desk area with all your sanitizer and your mask, all the information about the cruise and our excursion tickets. Got the AC right here, which my perfect thing to do is turn that baby all the way down. Of course, you have your standard issue bathroom. Royal Caribbean has the sliding glass or plexiglass doors versus curtains like others. Your toilet. You've got your bathroom here, and there's a storage container or storage cabinet behind the mirrors. So you come back out of the bathroom, and we have our closet. A lot of room, plenty of room to hang stuff, as you can see. Got your life jackets and some shelving. Back of the door, emergency muster, general emergency, where you at on the deck, on the ship, and our muster station. I hope you found the brief room tour of this guarantee cabin on the Adventures of the Seas beneficial. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and continue to follow us as we give you more information on this ship.